if you're an agency in 2024, your prospects are probably tired of getting these lazy, spammy emails trying to get business, right? So how do we stand out in a sea of these type of messages and really stand out from the noise? With AI today, it's super easy to do upfront site audits, and here's the type of emails we're able to generate. So we're essentially surfacing key data about their websites and their SEO ranking to generate a personalized hook, providing the value right on the first email. Now, let's say if we're starting with a lead list, right? We can essentially leverage 3 enrichments within LavaReach. So the first one is SEO enrichment. So what this does is it surfaces the keyword that it should be ranking for, right? We use AI based on what type of company they are. We surface a specific keyword that they should be ranking on. We have 2 options here, local or broad. So local, tries to optimize for local keywords, and broad tries to optimize for international or global keywords. Since I have a list of ed tech companies, I'm going to enrich them with broad keyword. While that's happening, I'm going to also enrich website statistics and if they run any PPC ads. So, you can already see some of these information pop up, the SEO ranking keyword, the current ranking, as well as who's outperforming them in this keyword. So while that's populating, I'm also going to do 2 data enrichments. I'm going to do website traffic statistics, which surfaces some unique visitor info, how much they stay on the page, you'll see in a second, and website PPC keywords. So this surfaces whether if they're currently paying for any website PPC keywords, and if they are, what's their current ranking position. So I'm going to enrich these 2 as well. And every time we enrich a new column, what that does is it creates a new custom column, and we can use these custom columns as variables in our prompt as well. So it's pretty real time. We can see that we're getting this data populated as we speak. Sometimes we're not able to surface some key information just because the traffic is so low, but most of the time we're able to at least get something to leverage into our email outreach. So going back to the email side, now we can prompt it to incorporate all these relevant data, and it's going to basically strategically use all this research into the email hook, right? So we're happy to help you with generating these emails, and we can essentially put all this data into every step of the email. So if we go to the second step and let's test with the same person, we're actually also using this data to summarize a blurb on the second email. So this is already the second step. So the idea here is with every step of the email, we're able to personalize, and this will allow you to stand out from the sea of noise.